I first started being a small space gardener, I really didn't take into consideration exactly what that meant. At one point, I had 72, yes, 72 grow bags and pots on my patio. And needless to say, it was not very efficient, and it was hard to keep up with that many pots. So I started looking around to see if there was anything I could do to make my use of my patio much more efficient. And I decided to use the green stalk leaf planters, a couple raised beds that you can put together yourself, but more importantly, to start growing stuff in 5-gallon buckets. And for that, I would need to make a stand. So I did. Okay, so this is the stand that I was speaking of. I was able to find some plans online from another YouTuber's website, and I was able to build it. I used 3 2x4 by 10 boards that I had cut to the length, and I just screwed it together with deck screws. And as you see, I'm able to have 4 buckets on one row and 4 on another. I also, as I mentioned, got 2 green stalk planters. This one has Scotch bonnets in it. I also got 2 3x6 raised beds that I was able to put together myself. Right now, this one has purple hull peas in it. I have 2 smaller raised beds. This one has 8 areas to plant. It was more for herbs and stuff like that, but I decided to put okra and bell pepper in it, and it's working. The one in the back has more bell pepper and a failed experiment with onions. And then this one has the Henderson bush bean or green beans in it, and they're doing very well. The other green stalk is here, and it has more hull peas in it, a variety called Grandma McKay. So it's doing pretty well. So this just goes to show you that if you're intent on growing and having food, you can make use of a small space such as this. I'm able to grow quite a variety of stuff, a lot of food for 4 members of a family, and it's working for me. So if you haven't subscribed, by all means, please do so. Go ahead and hit the like button, hit the notification bell, make sure that you like it, and go ahead and share it too. I'm trying to grow my channel, and every little bit helps. Until next time, stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. This is what it looked like originally: 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom, and 6 in the other holder.